You got that burning step, gold on the edge of your sleeve. We were a match in the wind, still you kept coming to me. Your name hit hard like a flare, right through the dust and the rain. Now every room that you left keeps your shape in the frame. Hold me close, don't let it fade. We were built for the long way. Hands up high when the night falls down. If we sink in, we're the best in the rain. Where do you have to go? Shine in the dark. Every single moment leaves another spark. Never letting go, chasing every mark.
Let's go.
Forever in the dark.
Hmm. So we are back with another live, and here we last time had done our done with our product, mainly done with our product. Some things are remaining still, and we also made web application deployed to our web bot domain through Versal, as we saw today in afternoon, and then I proceeded to add Razorpay integration and MongoDB integration, and also for the SSO we had discussed that we have to add a continue with Google option. That also we had begun, but currently we are going to perform some changes to our product. So we do have to think like from client side. So not every customer will be having OBS in them. Hardcore streamers may have different OBS like Streamlabs. So we do also have to give integration to that, not just OBS. So we have to give integration to Streamlabs, and then we have to add a session for logged in user, right? Because we have a paid tier also. So let's begin. Let me show you what is the current situation. So last time you saw that we had made till here. All the features are here. All the feature more than off Stream Deck is here already. But yeah, but we want to add more and add more stuff to it. We'll do it later, but here is the thing what we had created, right? If I click on this, it will switch to my face view. If I click on this, it again switches to my first main screen. Then let's go. I've already added a prompt that can we actually integrate our application with Streamlabs, and it actually says that we need to verify that actual API does work or not. So it checked that we have Streamlabs installed, and it found slop client data but not running. Let me confirm by setting this and that. I have verified yes, it's generally doable. Streamlabs desktop exposes a local control API, so it can be possible. We have to check that. Have to check that manually. I've done checking of the OBS part. It is working flawless. Just have to check on this transport is received over. Okay. He said okay. So transport will be in HTTP method, not in WebSocket method. Okay, to enable it, we have to go on Streamlabs and settings, and go on remote control or third-party connection section. Let me open my Streamlabs. Let me add a text to our OBS so that if any people comes to our stream, I want that people to comment on it, right? This one is me only. So I want to add a text to it. Let me add it. With add source text. No need to add anything. Do comment. Like and comment. Yeah, we are going to bring this down a little.
Got your hand in mine on the Ferris wheel. Cotton candy dust on your sleeves and heels. We keep laughing loud like the night won't end. You and me again, round the bend. Hold me
Where do I add?
feel that spark.
On top?
All these colors in the dark. One more second, make it shine. Keep me here with your hand in
Add here.
Underneath these crystal skies, we're alive, we're alive. Every heartbeat, every high.
Yeah, you can add here.
Skies, you and I.
And also I can add it here too.
We're alive, we're alive. Every heartbeat, every high. Crystal skies, you and I.
This is okay. Right. So I hope you guys are enjoying. You can drop the comments, and actually I'll be explaining you the product. Okay, let's go. So let's begin with integrating with Streamlabs. Yeah, I have already opened the Streamlabs. Where is it? Here. In here I have to go in settings, and then we have to do remote control and enable it. Let me also open live YouTube comment section so that if there is any person commenting on it, I should be knowing. There is 2 people. Please do comment, bro, whoever is there. Okay, let's begin.
We'll still go. Take my name and let it go. No fear.
Okay,
Just is fine.
so we are building a Steam Deck platform, but it will be digital, will not cost so much money. Let me explain you what is Steam Deck, by the way, if anybody is watching. Steam Deck. Oh my god. Steam Deck. I searched for Steam Deck. Okay. This is that hardware we are going to replace with our application. So this is used for basically opening apps and doing some shortcut things, right? Like for example, if I want to open YouTube, I can do it. If I want to open Twitch, I can do it. So people can actually set up their own shortcuts, and on clicking on it, it will open it. Same way we have also done it, but we have done more than that. We have added a deck section. Whole deck section will be acting as a OBS master engine, and it will be basically helpful for switching between scenes, playing and pausing things, and turning off camera and mics, and one user can actually do emergency stop and will stop all the recordings, all the camera. If stream is going on, it will stop that also. In chat section, user can actually see the chat. There are no person to chat here, so you can see the blank section here. In mixer option, you can see all the output, sound output here. If I lower the volume, you can see the volume of Spotify is gone down. And here is a soundboard which I have given for basically playing a meme sound or whatever. People used to do that. I'm not aware that recently people are doing or not, but this is a thing people do. Like for example, we can add a sound on clicking on this. You can add a meme sound or whatever. This can be useful. And this is the main feature, Launchpad, which is a replacement of this Elgato. This can be I will add more option also to add custom apps. I have added some of the apps which is required for streaming and doing productive work. And in this section we have added a resolve board, and in this editors can use this as a replacement of their own Resolve Studio hardware. I don't want to go in complexity on this, but this is a useful section for some of the users. This one is system, where people can actually perform some shortcuts, Windows shortcuts, and like play and pause, next, mute, deck, left to right, open the task manager, open the settings, etc. Main section is our deck, and I've also made sure that this application is usable to mobile devices, so it is a responsive application, and this will enable users who actually uses phone, and they can actually use this. Also, we had bought a domain for this. Let me open this. This is the domain we had bought, steampad.online, and we also had deployed some part of code here as well, and still like 50% of the things here is garbage, full AI slop, but I will fix that, right? So let's begin with our stuff. I was testing Steam Deck part of Steam Labs part of things. I wanted to integrate Streamlab also because not all the users must not be always from OBS. They can be also from the Streamlabs. So let me open the Claude. Okay, where is that part? Setting remote control. Okay, let me open settings. Remote control. I think multi-streaming is what. Third party connection, right? Can't see any third party connection option here. Let me add this screenshot too. Which option to choose here? I'm planning to stream until my limit goes off for that Claude. Okay, it's just 20% use right now. We can actually go for an hour or so. Click mobile on sidebar. Okay. Then allow third party connection. Okay. Allow. Copy the API shown. Then maybe show details, toggle to reveal it. Log out this because we don't need to Now it's okay. You can share this API token. Allow all party, confirm that port reads 59650 and copy the API token shown here. Maybe show it. It's a token to me. Okay. Just one token. I'll give it. Guys, do like if you are there, and do comment. Actually, I'll at least get an acknowledgement that you guys are present. Let's go. 6 viewers, total 6 viewers. Let's go. One of the viewers is me. Views, sorry, not viewers. One of the views is me. And remaining 6 are new guys. I love it. Transport works perfectly. Raw socket, okay. Check the transport is working. String of phone, mobile, camera. Okay, okay. Let me confirm screen switch method and event subscription. I don't think so that a third party connection will need a subscription. And that is okay. Let's see what Claude responds. Until then, let's open our anti-gravity to actually do some update on our web app. To use agent, please log in here. Okay. I don't know how it logged out. Free on your network, Pro anywhere. Oh. It's showing that it will be free on the network, but it is not going to be. I have given my time to this application. I can't make it free. I will make it free for actually trying this app for maybe 30 minutes or so. But after that, because if I make it pro and give it a cloud access, then it will need a concurrent access, right? For that we have to have a server that actually responds on it, and that will cost me too much. Right now we don't have a capital for that, and we are working on hobby project in Versal, so I can't actually use make it possible. Like, it is saying that remote control over the internet, but current currently it is not. And in free tier, I guess in free tier I can give all the mixer and kill switch ability, and for the deck part I think I should charge, right? Yeah, I do think. Let's see. That's my thought. Just hold up, guys. First of all, we have added a wrong spelling here. Let me edit this, man. Will explain you, not explaining. Yeah, here it is right. Well, explain you the part we are building. Okay. Okay, let's play the music again. So what is the Cloud response? Cloud is doing its thing. I've given the API token.
The streaks of paint, another Friday night. Familiar saint, feeling in my bones, a wild desire.
Everything verified against the live stream. Okay, okay. So it checked something in Streamlabs transport that I'm not aware of, but I think it will work. API allows it to actually like toggle through scenes and like toggle recording on whatever OBS allows it. Okay. Right behavior is running both backends and auto selecting whichever is connected. Let me restructure the hub that so OBS keeps the full feature and the active one. Okay. Right behavior is running the full platform. Didn't understand, but let's actually see our web application. The current state of a web application looks like this, but this is not good, man. This looks shit. I have logged in. Let me log in again.
Your name on my tongue, like a spark in my chest. We fell in too fast, and it felt like the best. One looked in the break, now the whole room spins. I can feel you coming like a wave on my skin. Hold on, the edge feels good tonight. No warning, no mercy, it's you and I.
Okay. I think now it should show me the past conversation, but still, I don't know why it is disabled. I don't want to again prompt it, man. Please. Bro, please. Uh, Review this project. Not review, sorry. Check this project. It will instead go reviewing the code, man. I don't want that. Check this project. In last stream, I had given all the credential. In this stream, I'll say that take all the credential and make it possible. No tell which I didn't do. I shall all this time. Let me also configure the setting that it should not ask me again. Anti-gravity settings. File access there. Always proceed. And always proceed here. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, allow this time. Submit. Arey yaar, it always ask me for this shit.
Streetlights hum a silent tune, reflecting the dirty spoon. Another Friday night, it's true, waiting for something.
Arey yaar, this thing is skipped this time. I've already given permission to anti-gravity, but I don't know, man, what Google developers are doing. Enable sound provision. Allow. Allow. History tools. I don't want to add anything yet. Read URLs, execute URL. Yeah, I've given all the permission. Should again it asks. Oh my god. Let me remove the sound, bro. The sound is so bad. It will keep on coming. No, bro, no. Stop. Get some help. Where is the sound? Here you go. Close. Submit. I guess this prompt will take my permission. After that, it will not. Because I've given all the permission already. So I don't want the settings. There's this. What Claude is doing? Let me check. Okay, run it. Rukja, bro. Let me click on this settings. Hello guys, whoever is watching, I can see you. I can see you that you can see me. Do comment if you are there. Okay, just 43% is this now. We can make it. We can make about 1 hour. Streamlabs backed works end-to-end. Backend equal to Streamlabs connected. Scenes populated and scene connected to agent deck. Streamlabs scene passed. OBS only features. RGS will be rejected with a clear message. Now bit of client policy for Streamlabs. User don't see the dead OBS only controls. Okay. So let me gauge the OBS only UI. Okay. Let me refresh our page so that I can see what things it is doing. Why is it not showing our OBS? Do I need to configure it again? URL is correct. Yeah, URL is correct. Responsiveness is okay. It's working. Yeah. I'll ask it why is it not working. Now getting OBS only controls when Streamlab is active. Okay, acha. So it basically it is doing that when OBS is active, then it should not like do Streamlab tasks, and when Streamlab is doing when Streamlab is active, it should not do OBS stuff, right? How long you been coding? I've been coding since my after 10th. I started doing code, but to answer your question, 10th to 12th, 2 years. Then after that, I did a degree. But yeah, you can say 5 to 7 years. Yeah. In job, I have 3 years of experience, but for coding stuff, I have experience of 5 to 7 years. What was your name? Ayush. Ayush Tiwari. Okay. Thank you, bro, for commenting at least. Where are you from, by the way? Okay, it's connected to clients. That means one is OBS and second one is Streamlabs. It is showing me only 0 viewers. Yeah, but in actual, there are people. In auto mode with both running, it is correctly prepared OS. Okay, now so it has added Streamlabs support. Okay. Update against the updated agent is published now running. Okay. Let me check. I'll have to stop this again and then check the new one. Client connected one. Let me check. Yeah, OBS is working again. And I don't want to close OBS to test. I'll test it later after our stream. Okay, I'll close the Streamlabs now. Perfect. Now I'll talk to Claude that about our product plan, right? It has created a wrong product plan. I'll have to explain here. We should give our product free in case of local, but we should not. We can give all other features as free, and deck features, deck and launch feature is main thing we are going to convert on. But on what else? What else? Also, let me run this project so that run the web app.
Juice on the tiles, your name in my mouth. Cold little room, we're burning it down. Your jacket
Hello guys, whoever is watching, drop the comments
we're already
where you from.
step closer, hold my line, the whole
I'll explain you what I'm building here.
heart in my throat, hands up high. We came too far to dim this fire. To the pulse of the night, take my hand, dance until the dawn. This is our land. Nothing can stop this, nothing ever planned. Pulse of the night, we're a wonderland. To the pulse of the night, take my hand, dance until the dawn. This is our land. Nothing can stop.
Okay, it has started the web app.
Sidewalk rain on skin, you pull me in close.
3, 5.
Already know. The whole face, the edge of your smile.
It looks decent, but
It's just a
it is bad, man.
one step closer, hold my line. The whole room bends when you say my heart in my throat. Hands up high, we came too far to dim this fire. Feel the pulse
Start free. Okay. I can't see my icons here, and I don't think so. This is enabled. Yeah, it is not working. SSO part is not working. Yeah, I had given. Yeah, this one is fixed, but the without SSO user creation is still pending. Let me click on login. This also doesn't work. I don't think so. Docs part is working. No, no. Currently, it is AI slot. Wait, guys, I'm getting a call.
lose control. If the world waits there, the open door. Feel the pulse of the night, take my hand, dancing till the dawn. This is our land. Nothing can stop this, nothing ever planned. Pulse of the night, we're a wonderland. Feel the pulse of the night, take my hand, dancing till the dawn. This is our land. Nothing can stop this, nothing ever planned. Pulse of the night, we're a wonderland. We were born on the edge, with our names in the rain. Took the cracks in the road, turned them into a flame. No fence could hold us in, no doubt could make us stay. We learned the hard way first, then we wrote our own way. decree. Rebel hearts forever, you and me. We're rebel hearts, running wild and free. Nothing's gonna break us, this is who we'll be. Dancing till the sunrise, this is our decree. Rebel hearts forever, you and me. You got that fire in your lap, I got sparks in my bones. We don't need a safe route, we make our own roads. When they said slow down now, we just turned up the pace. Left our fear in the dust, with a grin on our face. Now the night starts calling, and we answer back. Hands up, hearts open, we never look back. We're rebel hearts, running wild and free. Nothing's gonna break us, this is who we'll be. Dancing till the sunrise, this is our decree. Rebel hearts, forever you and me. Running wild and free. Nothing's gonna break us, this is who we'll be. Dancing till the sunrise, this is our decree. Rebel hearts, forever you and me. If the world comes down hard, we stand side by side, bare feet on the floor, with the moon as our guide. Say it loud, say it proud, let 'em hear our name. We don't fade, we don't fold, we just born the same. We're rebel hearts, running wild and free. Nothing's gonna break us, this is who we'll be. Dancing till the sunrise, this is our decree. Rebel hearts, forever you and me. Running wild and free. Nothing's gonna break us, this is who we'll be. Dancing till the sunrise, this is our decree. Rebel hearts, forever you and me. Concrete jungle got me feeling small. Another rat race just to hit a wall. My phone is buzzing, a digital hum, but my spirit, baby, it ain't numb. Something's brewing deep inside. Nowhere left for us to hide. We're soaring, burning up the sky. Nothing's gonna hold us. We're too alive to die. Racing with the fire, reaching for the high. Solar flare. You and I. You pulled me in like a spark in the rain. Sleep full of glitter, your name in my brain. Hands on my collar, crowd fades away. I can't tell midnight from a summer day. My chest runs hot, I can't slow down. Your smell hits hard, spinning me around. Starlight fever, taking control, losing my mind, but I feel so whole. Dancing forever, we're out of control. Starlight fever, burning my soul. Starlight fever, taking control. Starlight fever, burning my soul. Starlight fever, burning my soul. You're laughing my teeth like sugar and smoke. My nerves all shake, but I won't let go. We crossed that line, now the floor feels deep. Every step we take pulls me farther in sleep. My chest runs hot, I can't slow down. Your smile hits hard, spinning me round. Starlight fever, taking control, losing my mind, but I feel so whole. Dancing forever, we're out of control. Starlight fever, burning my soul.
Taking control. Starlight fever, burning my soul.
Hold me closer till the dark turns gold. Say my name slow, let the night unfold. If we burn bright, let it be tonight. One wild heartbeat in the Starlight fever, taking control, losing my mind, but I feel so whole. Dancing forever, we're out of control. Starlight fever, burning my soul. Taking control, burning my soul. You looked at me like flame. I held that wind too close. Your hand in mine and sparks, and we both let go. We don't know where this leads. Still I'm pulling deep. One touch and I'm gone. One breath and I'm weak. You're my sugar rush love, sweeter than the night. Dancing with the stars, holding on so tight. Nothing's ever felt this right. that heat. Hold on tight, we don't break. One more step and we awake. The dark can't keep what we became. Say it right now, say our name. We're ultraviolet, glowing in the dark. Every single moment leaves another mark. Nothing's gonna fade this, nothing gonna stop this spark. Ultraviolet, we're alive with a mark. Ultraviolet, running through the dark. Every little scar is shining like a spark. Nothing's
Oh shit, I was in mute, bro. Shit. Let me mute you again.
backseat windows fog, hands on my sleeve. You laugh like you know. I believe fast lane, bare feet, heart in my throat. We wear the night like a stolen code. Hold on tight, we don't break. One more step and we awake. The dark can't keep what we became. Say it right now, say our name. We're ultraviolet, glowing in the dark. Every single moment leaves another mark. Nothing's gonna fade this, nothing gonna stop this spark. Ultraviolet, we're alive with a mark. We're ultraviolet, running through the dark. Every little scar is shining like a spark. Nothing's gonna fade this, nothing gonna stop this spark. Ultraviolet, we're alive with a mark. If the whole world falls, we stay bright. If this shut the gate, we climb right. Want one more breath, want one more star. Write it on our skin, write it in our heart. We're ultraviolet. We're ultraviolet. We're ultraviolet, glowing in the dark. Every single moment leaves another mark. Nothing's gonna fade this, nothing gonna stop this spark. Ultraviolet, we're alive with a mark. Ultraviolet, running through the dark. Every little scar is shining.
Yeah, guys. So nobody's watching. Nobody's watching because nobody is there to comment me that I was in mute, bro. So I was saying that for doing a Google indexing, you just have to go to Google Search Console, log in with your account, and go to your hosting platform like GoDaddy, or if you had configured with Vercel already, then you have to go to Vercel. And basically Google Search Console will give you a txt value. You just have to add that DNS record to that to your Vercel or whatever GoDaddy you will be having. Then it will verify that this domain is your property. Then after that, you just have to go to this search bar, add in your website, and just click on this request indexing. On clicking on this request indexing, it will basically send your request that Google bot should come and actually crawl your whole website and basically get some data from your website that will be used when user will search for your website.
Behind that chest like a prayer, put your hand on mine, 'cause we're already there. No more looking back.
See, indexing is requested. So it will take a few days, not much. Then I'll also add sitemaps to this. Sitemaps is basically a mapping of your all the routes in your website. So for example, it discovered 17 pages, right? Sitemap can be read but has error. That is okay, right? It, for example, it checked for this. Why did it add same? Okay, I'll remove this. Remove. Basically, maybe AI has hallucinated and added some random website name, but our actually domain is sitemap streampad.online. Okay. So I can see Claude has done some changes. For example, added moving animated works with thing, a slider, and mobile is good now, but still this bar to be removed or maybe handle some way differently. And icon is added correctly. Yeah, pricing is good, $199 for a quarter, $499 for a year, perfect. Everything in pro, monthly access, newer in the world. I have to remove this because it is not. Yeah, other than that, things look good. As I said, guys, I have to leave at 8:45. I'll let it do its thing in background, but I have to close the stream, and then we will join in tomorrow and basically update this web application and try to add razor pay thing. And also I just how we started that we want to make UI for the desktop app. We'll do that too. Then, as I showed you, indexing part is done from Google side. Hope Google doesn't block our website because already we have added privacy section and stuff, so it should not happen because we are not a fraud website, right? That looks good. Like we have made already 50 to 60% of our product already, and later we'll have to market this as well. We'll have to go to other reach other streamers and send them this product. They will actually use this. I'll make it free for them, some of the guys, but some of the guys have to pay. But this is a game changing product, I think, and I have not seen other replacement of this product. I have yet to find, and I think I'm first mover in this. So big ups for me, I guess. Thank you, guys. Whoever was in this stream, thank you. I can see a person or 2 person here. It says concurrent viewers too, but I can see people here. Thank you.